So this week in reading, we are going to compare and contrast similar themes and topics. So looking at two pieces of literature, two fiction texts, and determining how their themes are alike and how they're different, and how the topic presented is alike and different. So let's go into Monday. In this video, I am going to introduce you to these short texts right here, The Jealous Bluebird and the Sad Frog, and complete the graphic organizer together. Then I go through and I introduce to you the text that you will be reading today, The Flask of Oil and the Peasant and the Cucumbers, and show you the graphic organizer. It's the exact same as mine that I use in this video. You're going to complete that graphic organizer, submit it here. You have a grammar lesson you're going to watch and some independent practice. When we go on to Tuesday, in this video I'm going to go back and I'm going to review the work you did yesterday with The Flask of Oil and the Peasant and the Cucumbers, and then I'm going to introduce you to the text you're reading today. After this video, you're going to read those texts. They're located right here. That's both of them. You are going to complete the graphic organizer. Excuse me. You do not need to upload the graphic organizer, but you are going to complete this discussion post right here. You are going to talk about the shared theme that these two stories have. So what theme do they have in common? You do have a grammar video to watch and some independent practice. On Wednesday, the teacher video is going to go through and kind of review that graphic organizer that you completed for those two texts yesterday. And I'm going to introduce you to the multiple choice and short answer response questions. It's going to be very valuable to you to watch this video. After that, you are going to reread those texts and go and answer these questions. You do have a grammar video you're going to watch on Greek and Latin word parts and some independent practice. All right, taking a look at Thursday. In this video, just kind of following that same pattern, I'm going to go through and I'm going to review the questions you answered yesterday, and then I'm going to introduce you to the two texts you're reading today. They're kind of strange. One is called The Two-Headed Weaver, and the other one is The Ridiculous Wishes. So the graphic organizer is here. I recommend completing this as you read through those texts. You will not be uploading it, but it is here if you would like to use it. There is a discussion post you will complete today, and you have a grammar video on using a dictionary and a glossary, and some independent practice. Finally, on Friday, there is not a teacher video on Friday. I figured we would use time during our morning meeting to discuss the text, The Two-Headed Weaver and The Ridiculous Wishes. Then you guys are going to go through and you're going to respond to some multiple choice and short answer response questions. And after that, you have a grammar video you're going to watch on similes and metaphors. You've probably heard that word before. And some independent practice. That is your week in reading. Please let me know if you have any questions.